Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to delete a post from a deleted folder of Instagram. I will explain you this. For example, like whatever you delete anything in your laptop, everything get stored in recycle bin. So in same way, whatever you delete anything from Instagram stories, post, reels, whatever if you are deleting, everything get stored in deleted folder. So everything will remain in deleted folder for 30 days. Okay, so if you want to restore that, you can restore that within 30 days. So for example, if you have deleted something in your Instagram, for example any post, you can go to that deleted folder, and from there you will click on the three dot and you will get the option to restore. But what if you don't want to see those posts in deleted folder also? For example, you have deleted your any Instagram post, and now that post is there in deleted folder, but you don't want that post to be in deleted folder also. How to delete it from there? So I will show you in my mobile screen. So here you can see this is my Instagram account, and I have deleted few reels and stories. So I will click on this three line on the top right. I will click on your activity, and here I will see the option as recently deleted. So here you will see the list of reels that I have deleted recently, and here you will see the list of stories that I have deleted. For example, this is a reel that I have deleted from my profile. So how to delete from the recently deleted also? I mean, this reel is not there in my profile, this is there in deleted folder, that is recycle bin folder. So when I will click on this one, and here if I will click on three dot, I will get the option as delete. So if I will click on restore, this video will be posted to my Instagram profile with the same number of likes, comment, whatever was there previously. And if I will click on delete, so this will be deleted from my deleted folder also. Previously there was two video, so now you can see only one video is there. The same thing applies for the stories also. So I hope you will find this video useful.